Welcome to a sweet journey through the heart of soul food cuisine, where desserts are not just treats, they're a grand finale to a hearty meal. From the rich, creamy textures to the deep, enticing flavors, each dessert tells a story of tradition and comfort. In this video, we're diving into the essential ingredients that make soul food desserts truly stand out. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a curious foodie, these staples are sure to inspire your next kitchen adventure. First on our list is butter, a true cornerstone of soul food desserts. Its rich flavor and creamy texture provide the perfect base for pies, cakes, and pastries, infusing each bite with undeniable goodness. Equally important is cream, which adds a luxurious richness to dishes like banana pudding and bread pudding. These ingredients are cherished not just for their flavors, but for the velvety consistency they bring to every dessert. No dessert is complete without the sweetness that ties all other flavors together. In soul food desserts, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and molasses are staples that offer depth and complexity. Brown sugar lends a warm, caramel-like flavor that is essential in pecan pies and sweet potato pies, while molasses contributes a rich, dark sweetness perfect for gingerbread and other spice confections. These sweeteners are pivotal in crafting the nostalgic and satisfying taste of soul food. Spices play a transformative role in soul food desserts, bringing warmth and character to each dish. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice are frequently used to enhance the flavor profiles of cakes, pies, and puddings. Their aromatic qualities evoke a sense of comfort and festivity, making every dessert not just a treat for the palate, but also a feast for the senses. To add texture and a layer of complexity to soul food desserts, nuts and fruits are indispensable. Pecans and walnuts often find their way into pies and cakes, offering a crunchy contrast to the softness of the batter. Fruits like bananas, apples, and peaches are used to bring freshness and a slight tartness that balances the sweetness. These ingredients not only enrich the flavors, but also add nutritional value to each indulgent serving. Equipping your pantry with these essential ingredients will prepare you to delve into the delightful world of soul food desserts. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the mouth-watering sweets that soul food is famous for. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember that these components are your tools to not just make a dessert, but to weave a story of culture, comfort, and culinary delight.